This ceiling fan is very sleek and modern looking, and we used it to replace the builder grade ceiling fan in this bedroom. Since this fan is so big and the blades are so long, this fan can really create a strong airflow. You can choose between 6 different speeds. These long blades are made of plastic and all the other parts are made of a matte black metal. The light has 2 color temperatures because it is an LED light, so you can have it be more of a bright white or a soft warm yellow. It comes with a remote that you can use to control the light and the speed of the fan, and you can even dim the light and reverse the direction of the blades. The remote also comes with a little mounting plate, so you can mount it anywhere in the space that you would like. It comes with easy to follow instructions to install it, and it does require pre-assembly, so keep that in mind. Assembling it took about 45 minutes to an hour, and altogether, building it and installing the fan took around 3 hours. And the nice thing is that this fan is self-leveling, which means it can be installed up to a 15-degree angle and still be nice and level.